So we got Silvio finishing up baling the last field here. I think I'll give you a look at the round baler. That's a 6155R that we just bought new this year. It's same tractor as that, without the loader and with regular skinny tires on it. Doesn't have the Trelleborgs that the other one's got. Vermeer baler makes really good bales, and you can put some pretty big windrows through it and some pretty wet stuff through it. Really happy with that. It's a beautiful day for this. I remember a lot of kids made fun of me when I went to school for working on a farm. Who's living their best life now? See if we can get some close-ups of him baling this windrow. It's a terrible field to work in, but can't be picky and choosy in New England. Got little fields everywhere. There we go. Nice quiet machine. Can't ask for better than that. Almost makes me miss doing all the field work. For about 5 years I didn't milk cows. I worked at a crop farm up in Haverhill, Kimball Farm Feed, and up there I just worked dirt, did a lot of haying, and then I came to this farm almost 13 years ago. So, and around here Silvio does most of the field work. I just kind of give him a hand whenever I can, work together to get things done. So that's how it works here, and we make the best of it. There's a sweet machine right there though. One of the benefits of working here is we have the privilege to drive some of the best machinery that I've ever seen. It wasn't always like this for me, you know. The last 13 years have been nice, but I can remember packing corn silage with an old 4020 with a bucket loader. The radiator was leaking, and I'd have to come down off the pile every 3 loads or so and add water to the radiator. I mean, you know, I've bounced around from farm to farm from when I was 11 years old until now, and I'm 42 years old now. So I've seen it all and done pretty much all there is to do. And this is a great place to work, and it's a privilege to work here. So we try to treat things with respect and keep them clean, and you know, what more could you ask for other than not farming in the city? But being a farm in the city is what makes it so we can have all the new shiny toys. So he's gonna bale up that last windrow there, and looks like we got maybe 70 bales today. That's what I'm gonna guess, 70 bales. So talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. It's been fun cranking out these videos the last few days, so I'm gonna keep going, get as much footage as I can, and get them out to you. Gotta like the style of the Trelleborgs though. This tractor looks badass. Look at these things. I believe this tractor is 3 years old now. Definitely needs to be power washed. I don't like them looking like that in the back, but a nice machine. There's another McCormick, not so nice.